Hi, and welcome to Mad for Mondays. I'm Kath Molloy, and I have a special guest with me here today who's going to let you know what he does to make a difference.
Hi, Kath. Thank you very much for having me. My name's Adam Callender, and I work with owners and leaders of small to medium size enterprises or businesses that are in technical areas, so automation, building technologies, construction related fields. And I work with them to help them realize the potential in their businesses. So often, often working with soft skills together with their fine hard skills, working with their teams, their structure and their strategy in order to better realize their dreams. So I do that through coaching, facilitation, training, bespoke programs. I love that style of work, and certainly in sectors that I have a background in and enjoy.
And what
So
do
thanks,
you do,
Kath.
even for yourself in COVID-19, to make a difference to your week or your day?
COVID. So COVID has meant for me that I think I need to be more generous. So I've sought to blog more about important things that I see, read, hear, talk about. So sometimes I have a mentoring session, I'll immediately blog about it, about some great lessons, some great outcomes. So also I've been doing an outreach to people in my network and saying, hey, how are you going? I guess in April, when it was very hard to move around, I certainly tried to pick up the phone every day and just ask people how they're going, and that's built momentum in the last 3 months. It's been really great. And then finally, I've tried to get on my mountain bike every day and ride in the bush. So get some time outside, enjoy the fresh air, and encourage people to come along, obviously, with relevant distance.
Well done, Adam. Like, I really love that you said being generous. You've been really generous with your time, and that's wonderful. And something else you told me that I thought was so cool, you've been running your scouts on live as well through COVID-19.
That's right. Yeah, absolutely, Kath. We've got all the age groups. So starting from the sort of 5, 6 year olds right through to late teens. And each of those groups normally meet in the hall. And instead we've been running them on Zoom sessions and trying to figure out how to make it interesting, make it engaging for the kids. Certainly things like cooking have been great. We've really got to know Zoom using things like breakout rooms, even the kids doing online games together and being able to talk to each other and see each other through Zoom whilst they're playing games together has been fantastic. And like we were saying earlier, it's been a great social outlet, certainly during that time. And I think it was probably getting on towards 8 weeks here in New South Wales where the kids weren't at school. So there wasn't much of a social outlet for them at all.
Well, I want to thank you so much and for sharing. I think you make a difference in the world through being generous. And I think all of us might be a little bit more generous going forward and make a big difference as well. Thank you so much for your time today, and we'll speak soon.
Thanks, Kath. See you later. Bye bye.
Bye.